everyone, this time we try to make a simple little game with Arduino, which Arduino is as the main control chip, OLED as the interface display, and the buttons are as the operation. This is the schematic diagram. You only need to connect the pin S of the button to pin 8 of Arduino, SCL and SDA of OLED to SCL and SDA of Arduino. The code is commented in great detail and will not explain here. The OLED used this time was also introduced in the previous tutorial. Now we take a look at the composition and the operation of the game. This game is a little dodge game. You need to control your own letters to avoid the collision of the letters in front. Each time the game has 3 blocks of blood, represents for 3 chances. One collision deducts 1 block of blood, and you can check your blood volume in the upper right corner in real time. In the middle is the difficulty level. The difficulty of the game will gradually increase as the letters appear. The far left is the game score. Press the button, the letter in the bottom left corner of the screen will jump up. If the letter does not touch the moving letter, it will be determined as a win, and the score will be automatically added 1. When the moving letter accumulates to E, the difficulty level will increase 1, so does the speed. When collide with the moving letter, the blocks of blood will be deducted, and if the blood volume is reduced to 0, the game screen will appear over. Then click the button again to restart. Here is the game interface. It can be seen that when we press the button, the leftmost letter will jump up. After successfully dodging once, the score will increase by 1. Accumulate dodging for 5 times, the difficulty level will reach 2. If fail, you will get a blood drop in the upper left corner. If the blood volume is empty, over will appear, and the game will restart when the button is pressed again. So this is the end. Thank you for watching.